While getting into the analysis, let me see the different types of analysis which can be performed using finite element analysis. You can able to see the different type of analysis listed down here, ranging from the static analysis, dynamic analysis, buckling analysis, fatigue analysis, optimization, explicit analysis, thermal analysis, CFD, that is computational fluid dynamics, and the multi-body dynamics and manufacturing simulations. And these are not the only types of analysis which can be performed using FEA. There are furthermore analysis which has not been included in these categories. So further analysis includes this electromagnetic analysis, where we can able to study the electromagnetic field of motors, or we can able to see what is the electromagnetic field getting emitted from the cell phone towers or from the cars, or even we can able to measure the sound noise, that is the noise emitting from the audio system of a car, or from any public locations. We can able to measure the sounds in terms of decibels, or we can able to study the machining level of materials using the milling machines. Those kind of studies we can able to perform, or we can able to see how that in the architectural side we can able to see how the sand and cement mix together, and how those kind of a mixture can be handled. So those are the kind of analysis which can be performed in FEA, but the kind of applications are very rare, because very few companies are using those kind of applications, so that has not been included. So in this bundle of the courses, we will see the courses ranging from the static analysis till the explicit analysis. The type of analysis listed down here are widely used in the industry across the world. So once if you're able to master the type of analysis starting from the static analysis till the explicit analysis, that will help you to get the doors open for the multiple industries ranging from the automotive or aerospace or heavy engineering or even different kind of industries. And this from thermal to manufacturing simulations, we will not be in a position to include those kind of courses, because those are applicable for a specific domain. So those will be available as a separate courses at a later point of time, so which will not be included in this bundle of the courses. Now we have seen the different types of analysis, what is there. Let me have a detailed look about what is static analysis and what are the different types of static analysis available here. So if we go for static analysis, we have different two types of analysis. One is a linear static analysis and one is a non-linear static analysis. And this we have again three types of non-linear static analysis, that includes starting from this geometric nonlinearity, material nonlinearity, and these contact or boundary nonlinearity. These are three types of nonlinearities which can be performed using this nonlinear static analysis. And the dynamic analysis, again we can able to divide this dynamic analysis into two types. One is the free and one is the forced. So mainly this dynamic analysis will be used most of the components where the components are experiencing kind of vibrations. So in the vibration studies, we can able to perform three kinds of analysis, that is ranging from the frequency response analysis, transient response, and the random vibrations. So these are included as a part of the dynamic analysis. And then the buckling analysis, and then the fatigue analysis. And then we have this optimization. Again, we can able to categorize the optimization to three types, ranging from the topology optimization, topography optimization, size and shape optimization. And in the explicit analysis, we can able to further divide this into crash analysis and the drop test analysis. Of course, both are the technology is going to be the same for both the crash and the drop test, but the application is different. And in the manufacturing simulations, again we have multiple types of manufacturing simulations. It's ranging from the sheet metal forming, mold flow analysis, and the extrusion analysis. In the mold flow, again we can have two types of analysis. One is for the flow of study. One is the study of flow of polymers, and the next one is about the casting simulations, how this casting can be performed for any kind of aluminum casting or cast irons, those kind of stuff. And in the extrusion analysis, we can able to simulate the extrusions of a metallic components, like extrusions of aluminum sections or polymer sections. Those kind of studies or those kind of simulations we can able to perform using the extrusion analysis, which is more of the manufacturing simulations. Of course, these are used in the industry pretty much across the world, but the percentage of the usage of these industries are comparatively less when compared to this kind of a structural analysis, like ranging from the static to explicit analysis. It is not the meaning that these are less important. These are very high important courses, but these are very specialized courses, because for that reason it is not included in this kind of a bundle. So this will be available as a separate courses, as a separate bundle. In these sections, as I mentioned you before, we will be covering about the type of courses ranging from the static analysis till the explicit analysis. in different levels. Maybe in this module we'll be covering only about static analysis. The next module includes about the dynamic analysis, buckling analysis and fatigue analysis. And the other module includes the optimizations and the explicit analysis. This is a high level information about the type of analysis available and what we are going to concentrate on in this course. In the coming sessions, we will see the details of the type of analysis, and we will do some kind of projects which are real-time projects so that we can able to gain some kind of experience as per the industry standards.